Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 27th of August. And first of all, national news. For Noida Towers demolition, reserved hospitals, beds, ambulances on standby. Over 5,000 residents of two closest societies to the Twin Towers will be evacuated by 7 am on Sunday. Ghulam Nabi Azad quit the Congress party on Friday. Aviation regulator DGCA suspended license of helicopter pilot for 6 months. Pay for freebies from budget, don't burden utilities. Nirmala Sitharaman. Likes of children waiting to be adopted, simplify process. Supreme Court. 171 corruption cases pending sanction for prosecution. Vigilance body. India has shown great interest on proposal to capping Russian oil price. US. Noida Twin Towers demolition, traffic diversions, roads to avoid on Sunday. As Jay Shankar held talks with Argentine President, Economic Minister. Pendency of cases, huge challenge before us. Chief Justice N.V. Raman. And now some international news. EU presidency to convene urgent talks to deal with energy crisis. Ball in Iran's court, France Emmanuel Macron on nuclear deal. Sri Lankan politician jailed for calling judges corrupt, set free. Moderna and Pfizer are among the biggest vaccine manufacturers in the world. Taiwan's head of China policy making to visit US meet officials. Pakistan declared emergency after floods affect more than 4 million. Russia's only female cosmonaut Anna Kikina ready for flight to space station. Saudi Arabia to invest $1 billion in cash strapped Pakistan. And now some sports news. Antonio Conte should have been banned as well. Thomas Tuchel. I am the right man for president's post. Baichung Bhutia ahead of AIFF elections. Newcastle Seal Club recorded swoop for Sweden striker Alexander Isak. The Asia Cup 2022 will get underway from Saturday with a clash between Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. The big match between India and Pakistan will be held on Sunday. And now news related to business. Nifty Sensex gain but end the week with losses on global recession fears. India to grow at 7.4% this year and next. Finance Minister. Gross tax collections this year 38% higher than last year. Official. SEBI enhanced disclosure requirements for credit rating agencies. Nirmala Sitharaman met US Deputy Treasury Secretary, discussed global economy. India in talks with Russia over LNG supply resumption. GAIL. Air India to restore staff salaries to pre-COVID-19 level from September 1. New TDS tax deductions provisions clarification for banks soon. Center. GAIL sets 2040 goal for net zero carbon emissions. And now let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 26th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 35 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 28 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.